Keeping your Victory Innovations electrostatic sprayer clean is vital to its performance. To properly clean your sprayer, hot soapy water, vinegar, or calcium lime remover are a few recommended cleaning solutions. Always consult the labels on the specific cleaning solution you are using with your sprayer. To clean or unclog the nozzle, remove the nozzle with the wrench provided and soak in hot soapy water for about 10 minutes. If the nozzle still appears to be clogged, you may use pressurized air to remove the blockage. To reduce the chance of blockage, it is recommended to spray an entire tank of clean water through the unit. This rinses out any residual chemical buildup and should be done after every few days of use. Review the chemical MSDS sheet on how best to secure and store your chemical solution when not in use. To store and maintain your Victory Innovation sprayer, always disconnect the storage tank when not in use. If your tank still has chemical in it, be sure to tightly secure the threaded cap onto the storage tank. With proper maintenance, your Victory Innovation sprayer will continue performing for years to come.